today I went on a little adventure, and this is just a little short clip of what it was like.
Well, this is kind of how it goes here on New Guy's Garage. It's dark, it's cold, we're putting on a donut that doesn't fit right on a vehicle that's not technically ours.
It totally fits right.
All is good.
I don't know what you're talking about. Looks like it's going on there.
Well, yeah, it's just happens to be like 5 inches shorter than all the other tires. Okay. Now you want to make sure you torque these to spec. Right about there.
Yeah, that was about 100 pounds per square inch.
That was about half my weight, so approximately.
Oh, well, that might have been 150 pounds per square inch then.
That was approximately 127 kilograms, give or take.
The kgs.
It's important to use bolts, or rather nuts, that are rusty enough to actually conform to your socket so they don't come off. That way you don't accidentally get the socket off when you don't want her to, or even when you do. Where the hell was I now? That one feels
You just gotta put some Fat Man Do into it.
Get off there, would ya? It's okay, because only women and children are riding in this. So, it doesn't need to be perfect. This is not mechanical advice.
This is the shit people gotta do to get us around.
Okay, Dunsky, there's your how to change a tire.
Well, wasn't that just fun and exciting, huh? Yeah, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. When it's, 20 degrees outside, if that. It's dark, your flashlight's running out of battery. Parts that don't fit right. Can't get the socket off. Catch you next time.